Hello children, this is Sima Singh again with a new video. We are going to continue the same lesson, Some Apple Please, section 2. In section 1, we learnt in the last that the lady, in exchange of the feather, she got the loaves of bread. And she was very happy. She thought that she will have it for dinner. She took the bread and she started moving towards the market. So, let's see. Let me read the first paragraph. Once again, she came on the main door and headed for the market. She came to the cottage. There she saw a mother and her children in front of the cottage. They looked very sad. What is the matter? Asked the old lady. Why are you so sad on such a bright and lovely day? My children have not eaten all day and there is no money for the food, said the mother. Okay, so after she got the loaves of the bread, again she started going to the market in the hope that she might exchange the loaves with somebody and get apple in return. So she started towards the market. On the way near one cottage, she saw a lady sitting with her children, and the mother and the children were very sad. So the old lady, she went to that mother and she asked her, why are you so sad on such a beautiful day? The mother said, actually my children and myself, we haven't eaten anything since yesterday and we don't have money also to buy the food. Okay, now let's see what happened further. Okay, how can I keep this bread when they all are so hungry? Thought the old woman. She took the two fresh loaves and gave them to the mother. How kind of you. I'm sorry that we have nothing to give you in return. But maybe you would like this little puppy. He would be a wonderful companion for you, the mother said. The old woman wasn't so sure that she wanted the puppy, but she did not want to say no to the mother. So she picked up the puppy, put him into his basket and thanked the mother. Then she started off. Okay, when the old lady came to know that the children and the mother all are hungry, she felt very sorry and she gave the 2 loaves of bread to the lady. The lady thanked her and she said, but I don't have anything to give you in return. I have this little puppy. I think you will not mind to have this little puppy. Actually, the old lady did not want that puppy, but still she did not say no to the lady. She took the puppy, kept it in the basket, and she started moving towards the market. So, let's read further. What an odd and funny day it had been, thought the old woman as she walked along. Who knows, I might still get my apples. Then, as she turned a corner, she saw an apple tree full of ripe and red apples in the garden of a cottage, very much like her own. An old man sat there. What a beautiful apple tree, exclaimed the old woman. You can make such a nice apple pie with those apples. Replied the old man said. Of what use is an apple or tree or apples to the old man? Well, I think I know the answer to that. Would you like this little doggy in return for the basket of apples from your tree? He would give you a good company, said the old woman, and led the puppy out of the basket. The puppy ran to the man and started rolling around his feet. The man smiled, picked up the puppy in his arms, and that's how the old woman got the apples from the plum she had taken from her tree. She went home, baked a lovely apple pie, and enjoyed it for the dinner. Okay, and after taking the puppy, the lady started moving further in the hope that she might still get an apple. Okay, as she was moving further in the nearby cottage, she saw an apple tree, and on that apple tree, the tree was full of juicy apples, and there one lonely old man was sitting. The lady thought that there's a chance that I can get apple from this tree. She went to the old man and said to him that you are very much alone and you have no one to give you company. So this puppy can give you a good company. But in exchange, I want some apples from your apple tree. So would you like to have this doggy and give me some apples in return for the apples? And she made the dog jump from the basket. The dog jumped from the basket and went to the man's feet and started rolling on his feet. The man was very happy. He smiled. He picked up the puppy in his arms and started playing. And this is how the old lady got apple, and she went home and she made an apple pie and she ate the apple. So children, this lesson has got the moral that where there is a will, there is a way. If you have a strong determination to get something, you are going to get it. You have to keep trying it. Okay children, this is all for today. See you tomorrow.